This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of Finward Bancorp. Finward Bancorp operates in the regional banking sector and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FNWD. And this video is an educational overview, not financial advice. To place an order, you will need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FNWD to find the listing. Select the matching Finward Bancorp entry to open the stock page for review. On the stock page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm details. Make sure the symbol shows FNWD and that issuer information corresponds to Finward Bancorp. Click Investor Trade to open the order form. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to your order type, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the order executes or is queued, the Finward Bancorp position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro example link if you want to follow the same demonstration.